Hi, I'm Dick Leonard, Director of Engineering Diagnostics for ProTechnics Global Technology Team. Over the last few months, our industry has been shaken to its core, and both operators and service companies have had to reevaluate how to make money in this changing environment. I hope all of you are healthy and have been able to survive the stress of this catastrophic collapse in oil prices and the worldwide pandemic. Now that we are seeing signs of a rebound and things are starting to get back to normal, I wanted to share a little bit about what our team has been working on behind the scenes during During the last month, ProTechnics has hosted several operator forums to facilitate knowledge transfer within the industry and gain some insight into what our customers believe that ProTechnics and CoreLab's role should be in this recovery process. The overwhelming response has dealt with leveraging the immense amount of diagnostic and rock data that only we have. With that in mind, we have several ongoing initiatives within CoreLab. Our team of engineers, geologists, and data scientists have developed key application-specific metrics that can be used to proactively optimize completions. Over the next few weeks, we'll be introducing them to the industry in a series of ProTechnics Diagnostic tips. We believe one of the biggest challenges the industry faces now is how to grow or even maintain production with significantly reduced completion dollars available. First, we need to guarantee we are getting maximum flow from our entire lateral, and then we need to evaluate the feasibility of completing these wells with fewer stages without sacrificing performance. We realize the world is changing very rapidly, and our goal at ProTechnics is to quickly adapt and evolve as things change. Our focus is on helping operators improve overall well project economics by using our technical experts as the most cost-effective resource in completion optimization. I encourage all of you to reach out to your local ProTechnics CoreLab representative to see how they can help. Look for those ProTechnics diagnostic tips coming your way soon. Thanks.